I came back with a new tarot tutorial video lesson of major arcana cards, and this card is all about the Temperance card, which is also the 14th number card of the major arcana group, and it is also the 15th card of the same deck. So before starting with the description of the video, I would like to tell you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below. Thank you. So as from this card, we could see that this is the 14th number card of the major arcana deck, and it is also known as the Temperance card. So as 14 number, this represents number 5 numerologically, and this is the card of the planet Mercury. So if somehow remedy is suggested for the native in whose reading this card comes, then it should be suggested in the northern direction for the planet Mercury on Wednesdays. So let's talk about the symbolism of this card. So in this card, as we could see that an angel is standing and holding two cups. Here in this two cups, she is pouring something from one cup to another. So this angel, this picture, in this picture, the angel simply represents that some cardinal virtues, a person with cardinal virtues and divine qualities. Secondly, we could see that in the chest, there is a chest plate in the angel's figure, and there is a square and a triangle. This is representing harmony between spiritual and the material world. Further, she is mixing something from the two cups, which is indicating that balance and need for each other. There is a pond with blue water in the background, which is indicating that some subconscious mind. The angel's feet, you can see here that she is keeping one of her feet in the land and one of her feet in the water, which is clearly indicating that union of subconscious mind with the conscious mind. Moreover, we could see that there is a long path or a long road leading towards the mountain, which is indicating that there is a long way to go for the person for whom this reading is coming. Moreover, we could see that there is a sun here. The sun represents holiness or enlightenment, and the angel's wings are representing limitless, something limitless. So in this way, we could see that the keywords for these cards are balance, flexibility, patience, equality, and blending and conservation. So somehow, if this card comes in a reading of a person, upright reading for a person in love related matters, it could simply mean that careful and considerate with love. Secondly, it could mean being patient in love. In career, if this card comes, then it could mean that success from patience and moderation, steady and slow progress as well. If this card somehow comes for finance reading, then it could mean that diligent in savings and slow but steady growth in financial matter. Lastly, if this upright card comes in health related matters, then it could mean that that particular person should get rid of any kind of unhealthy habits for a better health. Moreover, bringing a balance between overdoing, which may give you some kind of healing as well. Now, if this card somehow comes in a reverse manner, in a reverse reading, then it could mean that, firstly, it could mean that you should be very careful with people around you. Everyone is trying to use you for their own reasons. Apart from that, it could also mean that you should not believe anything what you see. You may take wrong decisions in a short span of time, so it is advised not to do anything in a rush. Moreover, there may be a lot of disagreements between the people around you. Life may also seem unstable at that present moment, since the reversed card is coming, and the energy of the reverse card is somehow negative for this card, and it also represents some opposite energy for the upright card which is coming. And in this way, I came to the end for this video for the Temperance card or Temperance card for the major arcana deck. I will again come with a new video for the tarot reading tutorial, very soon. Till that time, thank you, namaste. Have a good day.